If your Android phone feels slow, laggy, and frustrating, don't buy a new phone yet, because in many cases, the phone itself is not the real problem. It could be low storage, too many background apps, outdated software, or even one bad app quietly slowing everything down. So before you replace your phone, try these fixes first. Fix 1. Check your storage first. First, check your storage. This is one of the biggest reasons Android phones slow down over time. If your phone is almost full, start by deleting or moving the biggest space wasters. You do not need to delete everything. Just free up enough space so the phone is not constantly running near full storage. Restart the phone and update everything. Next, restart the phone. But restarting can clear temporary glitches, stop stuck background processes, and refresh memory usage. After restarting, check for Android system updates. Default text. Fix 3. Remove unused apps. Now reduce app clutter. Some keep syncing data, refreshing feeds, checking notifications, tracking location, or running background services. So go through your apps and remove the ones you do not need. Pay close attention to random utility apps, shopping apps, old games, and apps you downloaded just to try once. Fix 4. If the phone suddenly got slow, test safe mode. But if it suddenly became slow after installing one app, that app could be the problem. This is where safe mode is useful. Once you are in safe mode, test the phone. Open apps, scroll around, type on the keyboard, switch between screens. If the phone feels much faster in safe mode, then one of your downloaded apps is likely causing the slowdown. Fix 5. Use built-in optimization tools. Next, use your phone's built-in optimization tools. There, you can check storage, memory, background apps, and overall device health. These built-in tools are usually safer than downloading random phone booster or RAM cleaner apps. Fix 6. Make older phones feel lighter. If your phone is a few years old, small changes can also help. First, simplify the home screen. Second, check if battery saver mode is always turned on. Battery saver can help your battery last longer, but on some phones, it may reduce performance. Third, keep free storage available even after the phone improves. And finally, restart the phone occasionally. Then a factory reset may be worth considering, but only as a last resort. Fix 7. Factory reset is the last resort. So back up your photos, videos, files, messages, and anything important before doing it. A slow Android phone does not automatically mean you need a new one. If this video helped, comment below and subscribe for more simple tech fix videos like this.